a lady walking in a mall, and she sees a pet shop, and in the window there's this beautiful parrot, and he's all blue and gold, and she thinks, oh yes, I'd like him, and goes into the pet shop and said, oh, I would like that parrot, how much is it? And he says, well, $20, but I have to tell you, lady, that it has a bit of a backstory. Oh yes, she says. Yes, he used to live in a brothel, and so he's got quite a strong vocabulary. Okay, she says, not a problem, we can deal with that. She pays the $20 and takes the parrot home, puts it in the living room, takes the cover off the cage, and the parrot looks round. Ah, new place. Very nice, he says. And then the lady's two daughters walk in. And, new place, new girls, very nice. And then the lady's husband walks in. And the parrot says, hello, Cody Bob.
Marko, you ain't supposed to be telling those stories. You done let the cat out of the bag on that one. Not to change the subject, but I think I will. Oh, you know what happened to me one time? I actually found me a lost parrot. I was in the backyard, I looked up in a tree, and there was this big old green parrot. And I looked, I held out my finger, and that parrot done run down and landed right there on my finger. And the neighbor lady was looking over the fence seeing what was going on. She said, hollered at me, she said, Cody Bob, what are you going to do with that parrot? And I said, I don't really reckon to know. She hollered back and she said, you need to take that parrot to the zoo. I said, that's a good idea. I think I will. And I did. Well, it was the next day. I was sitting there in the backyard fiddling around, and the neighbor lady looked over the fence again and said, Cody Bob, what are you doing with that parrot still? I thought you were going to take it to the zoo. And I looked at her and I said, well, I did. Today we're going to the beach.